Hey folks, look at this vacuum picked up today. Don't like the bagless design. You have to hold it out just flat. Then when you open it up, the dust goes through here, in there all directions. And it's very similar to the Dirt Devils they have been using up till recently. The Breeze series, Swivel Glide, whatever the hell. It's the first time I've seen one like this. I've seen a wind tunnel or the tempo style bagless, but not one like this. It's very, very messy. I don't know why or how it's any messier than the Dirt Devil, but it is. The hose right here on the older models, the Elite with the cloth bag or the hard bag, you would pull the hose out, or you lift the flap, you plug the hose in. With this one, you just leave it in, slide it all the way, and it blocks the bottom off. Slide it over, and you put it to carpet, it blocks this off. So let's put it on 3. I already had a belt for it. I just got at a thrift store, antique. There it is for $1. Good Housekeeping, Silver Promise, whatever. Stupid phone. But to install the belt, it's just like a wind tunnel. It's 4 screws. There's the badge. Made in USA, one of the last ones made in USA, I think. Or maybe not, because it says model U5290 900. Anyway. Yeah, so it's loaded with dust down there. All over my knees for the demonstration. Okay, here we go. So did I clean? Let's see, let's take this out. Did I get the dust up? Looks like there still might be some, I don't know. I don't see any dust. When I tried to do it on the outdoor floor mat, it didn't do such a good test. So here's a dust cup. Very carefully. And there it is. You just kind of through there and through here. And yeah. So I don't know. It does seem to work pretty good. But this seems like a pretty primitive dust cup design. Let me go dump this really quick into my bag of filth. So, no matter how many times you shake it out, there's always going to be dust in there. It's very, very filthy. Well, that's the best I could do. This is not the easiest of uses. It doesn't even have a pre-motor filter. Look at that. Look how much dust that made its way through. Okay, let's see how it does with my dusty ass pants. Slide this to cleaning tools. Unfortunately, at the rate that filter gets gunked up, and you can see dust flying all over, the hose is not very powerful. But it seems like it vacuums pretty decently. I mean, you turn it on and it pulls itself. Get cord out of the way. See? It just pulled itself. Whoops, guess I cut something. This little string. But yeah, mixed bag. I mean, it seems to clean decently, but when you gotta clean it, it's the filthiest mother duster you'll ever fondle with. But it sounds great. It sounds so much better than the wind tunnel series. Those are loud bastards. But anyway, if you've ever used one of these, let me know your thoughts, your experiences of the old Hoover dusty bagless. See you next time.